Am I walking you or you walking me?
You want some cookies? Okay. Yeah?
Stop licking it! Stop it! And let's not scratching it, that's worse!
Did you eat? Did you enjoy it?
He's a good boy, Stan. Good boy.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
I'm sorry. Are you gonna forgive me?
You haven't even had this toy for an hour.